Tired of choosing between charging your device or listening to music? Ugreen has a fix. This is their 2-in-1 USB-C audio adapter. Unboxing is super clean as usual. It has a solid braided cable, a USB-C power delivery port, and a 3.5mm jack supporting high-resolution 32-bit hi-fi audio. Let's hook it up to power bank, plug in the speakers, and connect to the iPad. Fast charging is start instantly. Music sounds incredibly crisp on the edifiers with absolutely zero static while charging. Definitely a must-have setup upgrade.